Here's a little tour of some of my supplies. Brushes in size and shape order. Brushes and odd things to paint with in a great container I found at Home Goods, like that. Okay, then stuff that still needs to be organized. These are all kinds of little travel things. I have a travel video on travel watercolors. Things I have to put away. I'm going to use that for something. Not sure what yet. It didn't quite fit my watercolor tubes the way I wanted. I have these gorgeous drawers, and here, opening the drawer, I've got all my little pots. And some of them, you know, are stacked because I like to pour the tubes out into little things. Okay. Stuff that, again, should be put away, really. Okay, now down here is the watercolor drawer. So this has, this is like pens and collections of pens, like some not even opened, like calligraphy pens. Okay, here's watercolor tape. This is linen tape for mounting. Just keep that. Okay, so what I like about this is that these stack. So there's a bunch of sponges. So these stack. So here are all the purples and blues. This one, again, of sponges and stuff. Okay, let's see. Let's undo this one. It really is organized, right? Okay, even though I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, this I just added because I realized I could use smaller ones. So here's, leftover collection of greens. The next layer is the collection of yellows. And then at the bottom is the collection of reds. And with the reds, I've got the sort of reddish browns. So I like these. I'll show you how they stack. They just stack very nicely and they fit right here really well. So when I need a tube to add to some of those like little white dishes, then I come here and see what I've got. If they're dried out, which some of them may be, some of them are very old, like from the 70s, I'll just unpeel them and stick it in, the little thing. So that's the tour, pretty much. And this is my favorite part. I just love this drawer. There's some little travel sets I'm putting together. All right, so check out my travel watercolor video.